Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. If you are like me, some few months ago, I had little or no idea about what foreign exchange market is, also known as Forex market. As far as I'm concerned, I am not an economist, I am not an accountant, and I do not work in a financial house, so I have nothing to do with Forex. As a matter of fact, the word Forex was synonymous with gambling. But just a few weeks ago, a friend of mine invited me to a seminar, and that was an eye-opener for me. And I personally went into a Google research of the meaning of Forex. And ladies and gentlemen, what I discovered about Forex was mind-blowing. It was simply an amazing something that I found. I want you to come with me as I take you through the Google search to show you what Forex is all about and what it means and what has been happening in the foreign exchange market known as Forex. Come with me, let me show you. Alright, right now I'm going to take you through a Google search of what I discovered about the foreign exchange market. It was simply amazing, a mind-blowing experience. It's something that I've never thought or never imagined before. Now let me go to Wikipedia on foreign exchange market. Alright, I'm going to read it to you very carefully, so all you have to do is to pay attention. The foreign exchange market, Forex, FX or currency market, is a global, decentralized or over-the-counter OTC market for the trading of currencies. This market determines the foreign exchange rate. It includes all aspects of buying, selling, and exchanging of currency at current or determined prices. In terms of trading volume, it is by far the largest market in the world, followed by the credit market. The main participants in this market are the larger international banks. Financial centers around the world function as anchors of trading between a wide range of multiple types of buyers and sellers around the clock, with the exception of weekend. Since currencies are always traded in pairs, the foreign exchange market does not set a currency absolute value, but rather determines its relative value by setting the market price of one currency if paid with another currency. Ladies and gentlemen, I will not be able to read all this through to you. You can do the Google search by yourself, but what I'm going to do now is to just draw a summary of what is here for you. So I'm going to a new template. I'm going to just go to draw the summary for you. Just follow me carefully as I do the summary. Forex means buying and selling of currencies. The foreign exchange market, also known as Forex, is the largest liquid market in the whole wide world. The market runs transactions to the tune of $5.3 trillion a day. It runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can trade on this market using your computer and smartphone device. This is where the banks, the financial institutions, and wealthy people multiply their money. For a very long time, the skill on how to trade Forex have been in the possession of these people until the advent of iMarketLive. And now, what is iMarketLive? Now, before I introduce the company iMarketLive to you, I need you to watch this video.
Forex is the short form of foreign exchange. Well, Forex is a bit more than that. For example, companies buy goods from other countries. In order to buy them, they need to obtain the local currency first, just like us when going on holiday. The difference is they will exchange huge amounts. When these companies exchange these huge amounts, they will actually move the price, because the demand for the currency that they need increases. When the demand increases, the price increases. With all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. This is how it works. When currencies are exchanged, they have a certain price, the exchange rate. As in any market, the price of a currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Say you live in Europe and went on holiday to the United States. Let's say that you changed your 500 euros into US dollars at the rate of $1.4 for every euro. You got 700 US dollars, but you do not spend any money at all. So you still have $700 after you come back. After the exchange rate moved from 1.4 to 1.3, instead of getting just 500 euros back, you actually get 538.5 euros. You have gained 38.5 euros simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market. We buy a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it whilst the exchange rate moves, then change it back, making money along the way. How to decide when the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach you throughout the rest of our learning lessons. As you can imagine, traveling a lot and saving a bit of money on your holiday budget and then exchanging it, it's not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this. You can trade currency through online exchange offices called brokers. What this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just as in the example of when you went on holiday, you can buy different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading the Forex market. Trading Forex online with a broker has many benefits. You can trade Forex from your home or anywhere that you have an internet connection. The Forex market never sleeps. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and so can suit your daily routine.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's now go into understanding what iMarketLive is. Alright, before we go into understanding what iMarketLive is, let's go through this cash flow quadrant. This cash flow quadrant was designed by a very popular author called Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki is the best-selling author in finances, real estate expert. And this man studied the society and came up with this philosophy. According to him, in every society you have the employee, you have the business owner, you have the self-employed, and you have the investor. But the most important thing about what this man had studied is that the employee and the business owner make up to 95%, whereas the self-employed and the investors make up to 5%. The self-employed and the investor 5%. This is a very negligible number, and this is very true as you find majorly you find employee in our society, and then you find business owners. It's very unfortunate to say that the educational system teach people or train people to become employee. Unfortunately, that is why we're having serious problem in our society nowadays, especially the people that have gone to school and have studied and don't find something to do. So this is a clarion call to you that have gone to school, you've studied, and you don't find something to do. This is what this man is saying, and this is a very big problem in our society. So it's important for you to understand this and see how you can find your way or help yourself. And that is why I'm bringing this opportunity onto you this moment. If you're the type that is determined, you know you can succeed in life, you know you can prepare a goal for yourself and pursue this goal, pursue your goals, this is an opportunity for you to change your life. Now let's move on. Now, what is Forex? Forex is the largest financial market. Forex involves trading one currency for another. In Forex market, you buy and sell currency. Now this market lasts 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And in this market, on the average, $5.3 trillion transactions are done on the average. And you can trade on this market on any device. You can use your smartphone, you can use your iPad, you can use your Android phone, you can even use your PC. So what is iMarketLive? iMarketLive is a Forex trading education. It's a first-class Forex education and software provider. Now let me say this. One of the fundamental problems that Forex has been facing is that the skill required for you to trade in the foreign exchange market has been hidden from ordinary people for a very long time. These skills were only available to central bank, commercial bank, and the wealthy people in the society. You will notice that in some banks, you will find people who are trading for that bank, and they are being paid heavily based on the amount of money they make for the bank. Now let me tell you this. If banks stop trading Forex, they will collapse. I'll repeat myself again. If banks stop trading Forex, they will collapse. Now, this iMarketLive was founded by July 4th, 2013, and our mission is to set people free, operating in about over 120 countries and growing each month. Debt-free and privately owned, financially solvent and stable. No third-party services is involved. Now these are the corporate leadership of iMarketLive. The first person you are seeing here by your left is Chris Terry. That is the Chief Executive Officer of iMarketLive. Chris Terry himself is a Forex trader, and he has been trading Forex for over 30 years. He has been trading Forex for Barclays Banks in the United States for over 30 years. And when he retired, he formed this iMarketLive. iMarketLive is to bring Forex education to the people, to ordinary people such as you and I. With iMarketLive, anybody can become a Forex trader. You have Isis De La Torre, the Chief Financial Officer. You have Alex Morton, Executive Vice President, and you have Ivan Tapia, Vice President of Sales. What makes us unique? Why are you protected? Now, before you go into Forex trading, iMarketLive wanted to know that results with our services are not guaranteed. Now, let me explain this point. This is very important. Before you can go into Forex trading, all that you are expected to do is to learn how to trade in the foreign exchange market. Now, don't get excited by this opportunity and then you jump into the market. The market is so huge, it will consume you and your money. All you need to do is to settle down and learn the skills that it involves for you to be able to succeed in this market. Forex market is not an ordinary market. It's a financial market filled with precision, accuracy, and skills. And for you to be able to get this precision, accuracy, and skills, you must be prepared to learn. And that is what iMarketLive is ready to give you, if only you are ready to learn. Now, let me use the word of David Imonite, one of the high-ranking officer in iMarketLive. For you to be able to earn, you must be ready to learn, because in the word learn itself there is earn. So if you don't learn, you will not earn. So don't get excited by this opportunity. Be prepared to learn. iMarketLive does not trade your money or handle investment. You are in control of your money at all times. iMarketLive does not earn on your trades. No commission and no performances fee are taken. Enter a trade and exit the trade anytime you want. Our objectives is to empower, enrich, and educate millions of customers worldwide. This is one powerful product from iMarketLive, and it is called iML Academy, complete Forex mastery course. Here you have over 60 videos available for you once you become a customer with iMarketLive. These videos are available for you to watch. You can repeat them as many times as you watch, and these are packed full skills of information that you need to be able to prepare you to trade in the Forex exchange market. And it is a multiple language. It's from basic to advanced, and you learn from expert traders. These are people that have been in Forex market for a very long time, not just tourists. You understand? iMarketLive TV. This is also another platform that you can use to educate yourself once you become a member with this company. Live Forex education and mentorship. The people that have succeeded in Forex market are prepared to train you, if only you are prepared to pay attention and invest your time there. Over 120 hours of live Forex and crypto education per week. And it's also multiple language, many trading sessions, and IML TV recording. Now, if you're a busy person and you don't have time to go to your portal as at the time the session is going on, the videos are also recorded. You can visit your portal and watch these videos and watch this training at your leisure time. This is a very important product from iMarketLive. This is called HARMONIC scanner, high accuracy confirmation. This instrument prophesies the market for you. The Forex market is not a kind of market you can go to anytime, any place. It's a market that you have to study and understand. And one of the instruments you're going to use to study the market, to understand what is going on in the market, is the HARMONIC scanner. The HARMONIC scanner assists both beginners and experienced traders with a high probability confirmation to help increase their chances of profiting long term. Scans the market for high probability market reversal. You are provided all the info: entry, stop loss, take profits, prices. Privately owned software combines multiple strategies at once. High accuracy confirmation to help you gain more confidence in the market. You also have the web analyzer, which is also used to scan the market and to predict what is happening in the market. It tells you when to enter the market and when to exit the market. As a matter of fact, iMarketLive Academy and iML TV will teach you how to read the web analyzer, how to use the web analyzer to understand the Forex market once you come on board. Swing trade, learn and earn with Chris Terry. Now, Chris Terry himself is going to teach you or guide you on how to go about some of the things you do in the business. This is directly coming from Chris Terry himself. Now, swipe trade, this is the simplest. This one is just for you to copy and paste. All other information will be given to you. Now, these signals will be sent to your phone or to your email. These are master traders. These are people that have been trading for a very long time. They have scanned the market for you and they have given you some values that you're going to use to make money. This is the easiest thing anybody can do. You don't need any previous experience for you to be able to do it. As a matter of fact, this is just like welcoming you on board once you come on board. Training and support for your success. Our training program provides complete product setup and weekly personal development. So be prepared to come on board. So how do you get started? How can I get started? You have the Platinum package, complete Forex education. The Platinum package has a complete Forex education. You have the iML Academy, you have the iML TV, you have the HARMONIC scanner, and you have the daily swing trade. And all this will just cost you $195 one time and $145 monthly subscription. All this will cost you $195 one time and $145 monthly subscription. You also have optional add-ons, that is, this can be added. You have the swipe trade and you have the web analyzer. Now, if you can upgrade, to become an independent business owner by just paying $15, and this will make you to enjoy the web analyzer. Now, when you invite 2 people to become a customer in the company, then you have a waiver of your subscription in the month you have ahead, just a month you have ahead. If you invite 2 people into the company, then you have 1 month free subscription in the company once you are a customer. And then customers have unique referral link. You, just like I said, refer 2 paying customers and you have 1 month subscription fee is waived for you, no restriction. You can also become, just like I said a few minutes ago, you can also become an independent business owner in iMarketLive. And this simply means that you are prepared to build a team. You are prepared to take Forex trading as a business and you are ready to carry people along. Now, these are the various levels. Now, for example, if this is you and you introduce 1 person under you, then level 1 you get $35. You get $35. And the level 2, which is this one, you get $10. At level 3 you get $5. Wonderful, isn't it? You also have residual income for sharing our services, for bringing people into the opportunity. You have residual income. For example, Platinum 150 means that you have personally referred 3 customers in your organization, and then you earn $150 a month, which translates to $37.50 per week. Now, for the Platinum 600 means that you have accumulated 12 customers in your organization. That's about $600 a month, translating to about $150 per week. And if you get to the position of Platinum 1000, it means that you have accumulated 30 customers in your organization and you earn $1,000 a month, which translates to $250 a week. Now, this is the compensation plan. As you can see, Platinum 150, you have 3 people, and then you have monthly payment of $150 and then $37.50 per week. When you have Platinum 600, you have 12 people in your organization, you have $600 per month and $150 per week. Platinum 1000, you have 30 people in your organization, you have monthly payment of $1,000 and you have per month, and then you have $250 per week. Now, take time to study this compensation plan. It's so powerful and so wonderful. All right.